Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, we are going to unbox 6 icons of Virgin Mary that I purchased from AliExpress. So let's start. I purchased 6 icons in total. I haven't actually diamond painted icons for a very long time, maybe for like 2 years. And why I purchased them again? Well, first of all, there are a few new kits that showed up in the store that I always order it from, 325262 on AliExpress. I will leave the link in the description box below. That was one reason. And the second reason was that my manager, who is from Ethiopia, and he has the same religion as me, Christian Orthodox. They also have these icons in the church, and I gave it to him as a gift a year or 2 years ago. Already completed one, and he liked it so much, so he asked me to diamond paint a few. He wants to buy it and give it to his church as a gift. So the first diamond painting is this one. All of them are standard. The size is 25 by 30 centimeters. They are all diamond painted with sparklers, around sparklers. This is a partial diamond painting. The hands and the face are not diamond painted. All of them are on a standard canvas with a poured glue on it. I actually diamond painted this icon before. If you want, you can watch it completed. It turns out to be gorgeous, like golden one, as if it's made of gold. Beautiful. I will leave the link in the description box below. I actually diamond painted this and this icon, so I will not really stop detailed on them because again, I already diamond painted them before. And if you want, you can see the post review. They are amazing. It was one of the reasons why I purchased them again. They look terrific when completed. Now let's look at the drills. The drills that you are seeing now on your screen belong to this icon. It has 19 colors. All of them are sparklers, and they are in golden orange shades, really beautiful ones. You can see them now on your screens. Here is beautiful colors. I always purchase crystal paintings from that store on AliExpress. Never had an issue with that. All icons cost around $5.50, $6, depends. $5, $5.50, or up to $6, no more than that. I will leave the link in the description box below. Beautiful shades of yellow. So this is the first icon. I don't want to spend too much time on each icon because there are 6 of them, otherwise the video will be way too long. This is the next icon, 19 colors. Again, I won't stop on specifications. They're all the same, 25 by 30 centimeters or 20 by 25, not sure, but they're not 30 by 40 centimeters. Yeah, they're 25 by 30 centimeters, something like this. So this is another diamond painting, and the beautiful diamonds. Diamonds are really very sparkly. Very few damaged ones. So there's a variety of colors: blue, orange, yellow, red. Beautiful colors. I love it. I love how this icon turns out. Also, I will leave the link in the description box below for you to see the finished result. Look at those beautiful diamonds. Amazing. Here they are. And black color is just regular resin. Okay. Next will be this diamond painting kit, 12 colors. Maybe I will start working on this one because it has the least colors of all, and there are a lot of blocks of colors, so I will be able to use a 7 placer. These are the drills. Blue, different shades of red, beautiful bright red. I haven't diamond painted this one, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm pretty sure all of them will turn out gorgeous. Here it is. Only sparklers. Beautiful kit. The next will be this amazing design. I love blue color. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Actually, it's the most favorite. 17 colors. Really nice imprint. Clear symbols. The majority are numeric or alphabetic, which is great. So that's so funny how it's written here in Russian. It's just so grammatically incorrect, the way it's spelled there. I guess Chinese just translated from Mandarin into Russian, but conjugation and it's absolutely different. Not the conjugation, but the endings are funny. It's just they're absolutely different. Okay, these are beautiful diamonds. Look, there is a purple one. Looks really nice. I wouldn't think that there is a purple color over there. I didn't see it. Also a variety of colors. Look, purple, blue, yellow, silver, orange. Another like darker purple, light blue. God, those are beautiful colors. Look, also several shades of blue and even green. Wow. Here it is. Wow, that should look really beautiful when completed. Another kit, 14 colors. Also, there are also a lot of blocks of colors, especially here at the background. So it shouldn't take me long to complete it. Maybe I will start with this one. Okay, I'll check. But I need to take it to work and start working over there during my lunchtime. Also, very beautiful design. I love partial icons. I think that the icon should be partial. I don't think it's. I don't know. I wouldn't feel comfortable diamond painting the face. So let it be the artist that would draw the faces. But now let's look at the crystals in this kit. Well, but it's kind of color related. We can see a blue color there, orange, light blue, transparent, darker blue, darker yellow, lighter yellow, reds. Oh, you know what? I really like this color. Look like lettuce color, lettuce green. Beautiful. Wow, I wonder where it goes. I don't see green here. Wow, that should be gorgeous when finished. Let me see what. This is 12, right? Let's see what symbol is 12. E. Okay, so it's gonna be over here. Nymph. Amazing. Amazing, beautiful, gorgeous icon. I love it. I love the design. I love the diamonds. And the last but not the least, this design. Yeah, they have actually a lot of new kits over there. A lot. So this one has 14 colors. Here it is. And let's look at the gorgeous crystals over here for this diamond painting. A lot of red shades, orange, yellow. Yeah, a lot of yellow shades actually. Wow, almost 4 yellow shades. Blue. And yellow and blue, light blue. So these are the diamond paintings that I purchased, 6 of them, between $5 and $6. I will leave the link in the description box below to the seller in case if you are interested in. And I will also leave the link to my completed diamond paintings, the first 2 kits that you saw in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and it wasn't too long. Bye.